Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a character from the world of animated series. It was first created by Kevin Eastman and Peter Laird. Well, how do we say his name correctly? We may pronounce it as Donatello, Donatello, Do, Na, Te, Lo, Donatello. Donatello is the tech-savvy of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, known for his purple bandana and tech mind. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Donatello, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.